Hi y'all, this is Nina and you're watching Southern Digest. Do you remember the drone missile strike in Afghanistan on August the 29th? The one that the Pentagon said was targeting an ISIS-K terrorist who had been involved in the bombing that killed 13 of our soldiers? The New York Times did an investigation, which I brought you recently, and that showed that actually the target may have been a U.S. aid worker and others. Today, the Pentagon came out with the results of their own investigation, which showed that they had actually killed 10 civilians, 7 of them children. Links to both investigations and their reports are in the comments. Check it out for yourself and be of good courage. We are not alone.